For more than 80 years, the US dollar has ruled the world, controlling oil, trade, and global finance. But now, a new alliance is challenging its throne: BRICS. Could this be the beginning of a global reset? Let's find out. Welcome to Dharma and Diplomacy, where ancient wisdom meets global strategy. In this video, we will break down why BRICS is pushing back against the dollar, what tools it has built, how the US is responding, and what the future of global finance could look like.
Many years it was a one-sided relationship. Only now, since I came along, and because of the power that we have with tariffs, India was charging us tremendous tariffs, about the highest in the world.
The dollar is used in 84% of global trade. For BRICS, this means vulnerability to US sanctions and market volatility. Russia was cut off from SWIFT after Ukraine. This scared other nations. What if the US could weaponize the dollar against them too? India trades oil with Russia in rupees. China settles trade with Brazil in yuan. And South Africa prefers rand settlements. Small but symbolic steps. BRICS central banks are buying record amounts of gold to back their reserves and reduce reliance on dollar assets. In short, BRICS wants financial independence, a world where Washington cannot decide their economic destiny. A blockchain-based digital payment system that bypasses SWIFT and allows trade in local currencies. New Development Bank (NDB) lends in local currencies to fund infrastructure, reducing dollar demand. A mini IMF for BRICS, providing emergency liquidity. A proposed pooled reserve currency based on the 5 BRICS currencies: Riel, Ruble, Rupee, Renminbi, and Rand. These tools might not dethrone the dollar overnight, but they build an alternative ecosystem where the dollar is no longer the only option. President Trump has already threatened 100% tariff on dollar traders, dismissal, and concern. Officially, Washington downplays BRICS as a paper tiger, but sanctions, new tariffs, and lobbying show that the US is worried. Wall Street keeps asking, what if the dollar loses reserves status? America is watching closely because the dollar is not just money, it is a power. Instead of one global reserve, we may see 3 hubs: dollar, US, EU, yuan, China, Asia, rupee, plus BRICS system, global south. Countries trading with BRICS will save billions in transactions cost. The US will lose its exorbitant privilege of printing money at will. Investors, gold, rupee bonds, and yuan assets may gain more trust. The question is no longer if the dollar will face competition, but how soon. So, will BRICS replace the dollar? Probably not overnight, but what BRICS is building is a financial safety net, an insurance policy for the global south. And slowly it's working. The world is moving toward a multipolar order. What do you think? Is this the start of the end of dollar dominance? Comment below, I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video valuable, subscribe to Dharma and Diplomacy, where we decode geopolitics and culture in simple English. Thank you.